In this video, I'm going to show you how to add lead notes in Pipedrive. At the end, you'll feel confident capturing context and keeping your sales conversations organized right where your team expects to find them. First, head into Pipedrive and look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see the main navigation panel. Click on Leads. This takes you to your lead inbox, where all potential opportunities live before they become deals. It's the best place to store early conversations, qualification details, and reminders without cluttering your pipeline. From your list of leads, find the one you want to document. Click on that specific lead to open its detail view. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place by glancing at the lead's name and any existing context on the page. Keeping your notes attached to the correct lead ensures your team can pick up the thread instantly and prevents duplicate work. Inside the Leads page, you'll notice two useful places for capturing information: an input field that's readily available and a Notes tab. The input field is perfect for quick thoughts or immediate updates, like a recap after a call. Think of it as your fast capture space when you don't want to lose momentum. Right alongside that, the Notes tab gives you a dedicated area to keep your notes organized in one place. This is ideal for more detailed summaries, discovery findings, objections you've uncovered, or next steps ideas you want to revisit later. Select the Notes tab and you can start entering your notes right away. Keep your writing clear and scannable. Begin with the date, mention who you spoke with, and summarize key points or decisions. If you agreed on next steps, capture them in a sentence so it's obvious what happens after this. Short paragraphs or succinct sentences work best when you or a teammate returns to this lead days or weeks later. If your organization uses consistent labels or short tags for themes, keep them brief and meaningful so the note stays readable. Also, avoid adding any sensitive information that doesn't belong in a CRM note. Keep it professional, relevant, and action-oriented. That's all. You've added a note to a lead in Pipedrive. Building this simple habit pays off quickly. Every interaction stays documented. Handoffs become smoother, and follow-ups become effortless. Each time you finish a call or get a new piece of information, drop it into that input field or the Notes tab so your lead's story stays complete. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.